Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix missed call notification not showing in iPhone. Here are the simple steps to fix missed call notifications not showing on iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. Power off your device and turn it back on to refresh the system. Check call notification settings. Go to Settings, Notifications, Phone, enable allow notifications, phone, enable allow notifications, lock screen, notification center, and banners. Enable badges. In the same phone notification settings, turn on badges so missed calls show a red number. Check sound and haptics settings. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics. Ensure ringtone and alert volume are loud enough. Ensure focus, do not disturb, is off. Swipe down to go to the control center. Turn off focus modes like do not disturb, sleep, or work. Check call blocking and silence unknown callers. Go to Settings, Apps, Phone, turn off silence unknown callers if you want missed calls to notify. Check if notifications are scheduled. Go to Settings again, Notifications, Scheduled Summary, turn off if the phone app is grouped, and the summary. Make sure airplane mode is off. Swipe down to the control center. Ensure airplane mode is not enabled. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset network settings. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any updates. Disable call forwarding. Go to Settings, Apps, tap on Phone, call forwarding, and make sure it's off. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then tap Reset all settings. Your data stays safe. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.